Hello, my name is Lisa. What is your name?
Hi, Lisa. My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where do you work?
I work at TechSmart. And you?
I work at Greenworld.
What is your job?
I am a sales manager. What is your job?
I am a marketing manager.
What does your company do?
We make software for small businesses. What about your company?
We sell eco-friendly products like solar panels.
How many people work at your company?
We have 20 employees. How many people work at your company?
We have 50 employees.
Where is your office?
Our office is in New York. Where is your office?
Our office is in London.
What products do you sell?
We sell solar panels, water filters.
What services do you offer?
We offer software for accounting.
Who are your customers?
Our customers are schools, businesses, and homeowners. Who are your customers?
Our customers are small businesses and startups.
How is your business doing?
It is good, but sales were slow last month.
Are things better now?
Yes, sales are better this month. Is your business growing?
Yes, we are growing slowly but steadily.
Do you go to many business events?
Yes, I go to events often. Do you?
Yes, I attend them too. I like meeting new people.
Do you work with other companies?
Yes, we partner with IT companies. Do you work with other businesses?
Yes, we work with schools and local governments.
How much does your software cost?
It starts at $500 per year. How much do your solar panels cost?
They cost $1,000 each.
Do you give discounts?
Yes, we give a 10% discount for large orders.
Do you have payment plans?
Yes, customers can pay in 3 installments.
Can we talk more about your products?
Sure. When is a good time for you?
How about next Tuesday at 2 p.m.?
That works for me.
Should we meet in person or online?
Online is better. I will send you a meeting link.
Do you help customers after they buy your products?
Yes, we have free support for 1 year.
Do you offer training for your software?
Yes, we give online training sessions.
What do you do if a product has a problem?
We repair or replace it for free.
What are your company's goals this year?
Our goal is to expand to new markets. What about your company?
We want to launch 3 new products by the end of the year.
Are you planning to hire more people?
Yes, we plan to hire 5 more employees. What about you?
Yes, we need more developers for our team.
What is your typical workday like?
I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. What about you?
I work from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and I take a break at noon.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes, when there is a big project. Do you?
No, we don't work on weekends.
How often do you have team meetings?
We have meetings every Monday morning. And you?
We have meetings twice a week.
Who usually leads the meetings?
My manager leads them. Who leads your meetings?
I usually lead them.
What do you do if there is a problem with a client?
We talk to the client and try to solve the problem quickly. What do you do?
We listen to the client and offer a solution or a refund.
How do you manage delays in your work?
We inform the client and explain the reason.
Do you ever face delays with your projects?
Yes, but we always try to finish on time.
Do you travel for work?
Yes, I visit clients in other cities. Do you travel?
Yes, I travel to attend conferences and meet clients.
How often do you travel?
About once a month. How about you?
I travel twice a month.
How do you usually communicate with clients?
We use email and phone calls. What about you?
We mostly use email and video meetings.
Do you send reports to your clients?
Yes, we send monthly reports. Do you?
Yes, we send them every 2 weeks.
How do you handle tight deadlines?
We divide the work and focus on the most important tasks. How do you handle them?
We plan carefully and work extra hours if needed.
Do you often have short deadlines?
Yes, especially during busy seasons. Do you?
Yes, when there is a new project to launch.
How do you find new clients?
We use online ads and referrals. How do you find clients?
We attend trade shows and work with partners.
Do you have a marketing team?
Yes, we have a small team. Do you have one?
Yes, we have a team of 5 people.
What payment methods do your clients use?
Most of them pay by bank transfer. What about your clients?
Some pay by credit card, and others use PayPal.
Do you require an advance payment?
Yes, we ask for 30% upfront. Do you?
Yes, we also ask for a deposit before starting the work.
Is your business growing this year?
Yes, we are growing by 15%. What about you?
We are growing too, but slowly.
Are you planning to expand to new markets?
Yes, we want to enter the Asian market. What advice do you have for growing a business?
Focus on good customer service and build strong relationships. What advice would you give?
Invest in marketing and train your team well.
Do you think social media is important for business?
Yes, it helps us reach more customers. Do you use social media?
Yes, we use it to promote our products and services.
Can I have your business card?
Yes, here you go. Do you have a business card?
Yes, here it is.
It was great talking with you.
It was great talking with you too. Let's stay in touch. Can I have your email address?
Sure, it's lisa@greenworld.com. What is your email?
It's tom@techsmart.com.
I will email you next week about our meeting.
Perfect. I look forward to it.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.